Hello friends, this is Brijesh Kishri. Welcome to my YouTube channel Computer Era. In my channel I have three different modes to upload video. Here you can see programming mode, computer trick mode, computer fact mode. Computer mode in which I will tell you about how to learn Java, Android, etc. Computer trick mode in which I will tell you about some basic tricks about computer. Computer fact mode in which I will tell you some interesting facts related to our technology or computer. In this video you can see that computer trick mode is on. I will tell you some basic tips of command prompt. The first one, that is how to change the color of your command prompt. Of the command prompt, simply type color color Y. The moment you type color Y, you will get the range of colors that will be available to you to change the color of the background and the color of the text. Suppose I want to have a color purple as my background and light yellow as a text color, so I'll type 5 for purple and E, that is for light yellow. See, the moment I type color 5E, the background becomes purple and the text color becomes light yellow. Second, how to customize the command prompt title bar. So to customize title bar means, suppose here it is written command prompt on the title bar, you can see. So how to customize the title bar of command prompt? So to customize the title bar of the command prompt, simply you type title, title. Suppose whatever you want to, suppose Brijesh, I have written Brijesh. So the moment I type title Brijesh, here you can see the command prompt changed to Brijesh. So the title of the command prompt has been changed. Third, to know about any command. To know about any command means to get help related to any command. Suppose I want to know what does dir do. Means dir is a command. What does dir command do? So you simply type dir and then gives this symbol and then this. So the moment you type dir and the both symbols, it gives you the whole description of the dir, what does it work and how the syntax of the dir looks. Suppose I want to know about cd /? So here it has told that what does cd and question mark and this all means. To know the network detail of your computer. To know the network detail of a computer means how to know the IP address, Ethernet address and all. So you simply type ipconfig. The moment you type ipconfig, all addresses has been displayed to you. This mini state means what here you can see IP address, v6 address, connection specific address, all the things that are needed and has been displayed to you. The network details. To know about all driver list installed on your PC. How will you know that the driver which has installed on your computer? To know the driver detail that are installed on your PC, driv drive QUERY. See, driver query. These are the drivers that are installed on my PC. To execute multiple command. How to execute multiple command on the command prompt means more than one command you can run on the command prompt. So I want to know the IP configuration means you can say I want to know the network details and I want to know the driver installed on my both at the same time. So ipconfig, here you have given a command for the network details to know the network users and give to and mark and then type. Suppose first one for network detail and suppose second one I am the driver query, all the driver installed on my PC. Okay, so here you can see the first, that is the network related things has been deleted to you, and next one, that is all driver installed on your PC has been displayed to you, means the multiple commands has been executed on your command prompt. To know about IP address of any website. Yes, address of any website, you just have to type NSLOOKUP, NS lookup ns lookup and simply type the site, the IP address you want to know of google.com. I have written. So server is known, but address has been given to you. To save a command output to a file. To save the command output to a file means, suppose you have written any command and you want to save the output of that command to a file. Save a command output to a file. Suppose you want to save the command output to a file. Command output, it means the command you have written and it displays some output. You want to save that to some file. So then I will simply write system info. System info is a command which will display to you the all information related to your system. Then I'm typing C where I have to display. I'm just typing the directory of the file system. Then I will go to Dell and then there is a folder there sys system.txt. Here you can see that all the information is being loaded. Now you see here I have saved and here the file has been saved. The whole information has been saved as output. Okay, this is the best simple method to view a drive entire structure in a tree format. Suppose I want to see, I'm going to C drive and I'm switching to D drive. Sorry, D is not there. E, I'm switching to E drive. I have switched to E drive. I want to see the E drive directory in a tree format. So simply you type tree. Okay, so here you can see that moment I type tree, the all things has been displayed you in a tree format. The files are folders and the folders and the folders, these all are displaying as a tree format in your system. To open an audio or video or image, suppose you want to open an audio, video and image. So as soon as I'll move to E, suppose I want to open the folder, the photo, actually I have a photo in E drive. I want to open that photo. So to open that photo, what you have to do, you just need to move till that path. Means suppose yes, there is an image, only image.jpg. I think there is a folder as a image. Yes, here the folder, the image has been opened just by using, because there was I want to open someone else, so I can move to my pk, sorry, cd pk, and then I'm checking for the image. So photos, I'm again moving to cd photos. So I'm checking for the drive and I'm moving to cars, 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 drr, and suppose I want to open this folder i.jpeg, just type i.jpeg. Yes, the image has been opened using command prompt. Yes, how to open a program. To open a program means to open any program that is installed on your PC, you need to have the .exe folder so that you can listen. So I want to open the Internet Explorer, so it is there in my Windows folder. I'll move to CD. And then I'll check for Internet CD. So let's means whether it is there or not. dir, all the things are there. Internet Explorer, so I want to explore Internet Explorer. So now I'll check for the exe file in Internet Explorer. Here you can see the exe folder, the exe file, that is iexplorer.exp. So I'll just iexplorer dot exe. The moment I typed iexplode.exe, you can see that Internet Explorer folder has been opened to you. To create a undeletable file. So to create an undeletable folder in any drive using a command prompt, simply you type md con. The con is the name of the folder you want to have. So if you go to E drive, here you can see that folder has been created, but when you are trying to delete it, it will not be deleted. And when you have to remove it, when you want to remove it, just simply type rd and con, the name of the folder. Now if you move to E drive, you will see that folder con has been removed. Yes, to shut down, to restart, and to log off, and to hibernate, just using command prompt. Suppose if you want to shut down the system, so you have to just type shut down, shut down minus an s. And since I'm not going to do it, it's because my system will shut down. And if you want to restart, then minus r for restart, and if you want to have it for hibernate, minus h for hibernate. Or you want to know that really the things are there, just move it, type this, and you will get the information what are the things are. Here you will get information. See, all the things have been displayed to you. To compare two files. To compare two files, suppose you want to compare the two files in a system. So suppose I have in my system, actually I'm going to create system info, I have created one folder as system.txt, a file as a system.txt, which will contain all the information related to system information. And I am again also creating one folder, and I am renaming this time the file name as a system1, and it will also store the information about the system only. So now I want to compare both the files. If you want to compare both the files, just type fc and the name of the first folder and the name, path of the first file and the path of the second file. The path of the first file is c, and the path of the second file is system1.txt. Both the file will be compared. Here you can see that all the comparison has been done for what the size and what the things are there in the files. The comparing system has been displayed to you all. Last one, to clear the screen. Last trick is to clear the screen. Yes, definitely you are doing some number of things on the PC and you are doing number of things on the PC, and you want to have it as a want to know and you want to clear these all things. Just simply type cls, it will clear the whole screen. So cls is a command prompt that will use to clear. Thanks friends, that was the basic tricks of a command prompt which I had discussed with you all. I hope you liked it. Just hit subscribe button, and I'll soon come back with my programming videos and some interesting fact related to computer. So please hit subscribe and just get notified whenever the new videos are uploaded. Thank you.